DJM Welcome to DJM TV.
It don't set my people as Labour Party don disown the NEC meeting for inside Bauchi State. My people, now welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update on our WhatsApp channel. You know they get better gist for inside Nigeria and all over the world. If this is your first time to see any of our video, they tell you say welcome and make you not forget to follow our page. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and make you turn on all notification bell so that we go feed they inform you anytime we be like say we drop better ogbonge update for our platform. Oh yeah, make we run enter the gist get for now today. The Labour Party for Nigeria don disown the purported National Executive Council meeting NEC wey dem dey hold for inside Bauchi State, wey be like say na Apapa Lamidi na dey lead that meeting. E dey describe am as say e dey illegal and e no approve any meeting like that. The Labour Party don make this one clear for inside one video now we wan watch, where they call hold meeting with all the 36 state chairman of the party for the National Secretariat for inside Abuja. When they call the address newsmen for inside this video, the acting National Publicity Secretary of the party wey they call Obiora Ifo don talk say na some governor wey dey for inside the All Progressive Congress na dey sponsor the Apapa led faction of the party. They call the talk say for further directive from their paymaster, about 6 of the former member of the party wey be like say they don suspend don announce for national TV say the Labour Party dey meet with NEC for inside Bauchi. The Labour Party don disown that report and they don talk say that news na fake and not dey lawful for the National Executive Council meeting. You see all those people wey be like say sit down there as the National Executive Council meeting, they not be at all. Surprisingly, this one dey come barely 2 weeks after the party don hold successful NEC meeting for inside Asaba Delta State, wey be like say virtually all the NEC members, including 36 state chairman and their secretaries, all the members of the National Working Committee, most of the elected members of the National Assembly, leaders, and even the presidential candidate of the party wey they call Mr. Peter Obi for inside the party na attend that meeting, not forgetting say the Nigeria Labour Congress NLC and the Trade Union Congress TUC still attend that meeting. Those of una wey never watch the video, ask the Labour Party say they disown these people, Apapa Lamidi and the others. Make una watch am when they come back.
The text of a press conference by the Labour Party on the development in the party, particularly on the illegal NEC meeting holding in Bauchi today, the ongoing court cases, an allegation of forgery against our national chairman, Barrister Julius Abure. Let me sincerely thank you for keeping faith with the Labour Party and reporting us very well since the battle for the soul of Nigeria commenced last year, with the emergency of His Excellency Peter Obi as our presidential candidate for the 2023 election. As you already know, the battle was fierce and horrible. Nigerians spoke with a loud voice, but the agents of darkness had other agenda of their slaves. They earlier warned that power is not served a la carte, that it must be fought for, grabbed, seized, and run away with. The lesson we have come to learn in a bitter way today, instead of celebrating and getting ready to be sworn in as a ruling party come May 29th, we have found ourselves trying to get back our mandate through the tribunal. What a sad story. One of the lessons we learned is that these agents of darkness can go all the way to destabilize a political party by infiltrating its leadership and planting moles who are of course heavily compromised to ensure that the party loses focus. Heart of men are desperately able, and who can know it all? So says the good book. We also learned, though painfully, that there will always be a Judas in every 12. In our own case, about 6 of our former leaders who are now suspended and led by Lamidi Apapa, a suspended deputy national chairman, chose to paint their legs black for a few words of naira to betray the worthy cause of reclaiming Nigeria. They sold their conscience to the devil and made money their mammon. So I address you now, 6 of them, in furtherance of the directives from their paymasters, are meeting in Bauchi for a fake and unlawful NEC. Surprisingly, this is coming barely 2 weeks after the party held its very successful NEC in Apapa, Delta State, that was attended by virtually all NEC members, including 36 states, chairmen and secretaries, all members of National Working Committee, most of the elected members of the National Assembly, leaders and presidential candidates of the party, including Mr. Peter Obi, party trustees, including the Nigerian Labour Congress and TUC, all of them were present and in their numbers. One of the invitees of the purported NEC is our leader and presidential candidate, Peter Obi, who incidentally, just this Monday, was in a national television where he referred these characters as paid agents and as hirelings. He also made it clear that he had never met with the so-called Apapa all his life, and that there were no issues in the party, and that the reported crisis is just the rascality by paid agents bent on derailing the party to pursue justice. He said, and I quote, "In the Labour Party, we have no issues. Barrister Bure is our chairman. And those things you are seeing are just the handiwork of paid agents who are trying to create confusion." They also invited the state chairman of our party to their meeting. Gentlemen of the press, seated here in the hall are all the state chairmen of the party across the 36 states. Please put your hand together if you're state chairman, including the secretaries.
My people, now welcome back to DJM TV Daily News Update. Una don use ear to hear wetin the Labour Party don talk concerning the Apapa Lamidi faction. So wey dey for Bauchi, say dem dey hold NEC meeting. Now, if NEC for inside Labour Party suppose consist of the 36 state chairman and their secretary and the rest of the National Working Committee and others, and now you hear the state chairman wey dem dey clap for themselves for inside that particular hall, then which state chairman come dey for Lamidi Apapa faction of the meeting for inside Bauchi State? All those na wetin we need to dey consider when dem talk say na the pay master na dey pay dem to disrupt the Labour Party for inside Naija, because we no see any reason wey be like say Lamidi Apapa go fake National Working Committee, still fake NEC members for inside Bauchi State. Now, this part of the Labour Party now, they dey for inside Abuja for the Labour Party secretariat, but Lamidi Apapa faction dey for Bauchi, they hold their own NEC meeting. So my people, how una see this matter? Make una drop una comment for the comment section below. I go see you now for the next video.
DJ